What's going on, family? Listen, it's Tyron Tyson, the business golfer. I'm currently here at, what is it, Blue Heron Pines in Egg something, New Jersey.
Yeah, I got you.
I'm here with my guy Chop. We here at the Atlantic City Classic. You know what I'm saying? The second annual. I don't know if it's the first one. Look, and get this bum in here. Oh yeah. I can edit it out. Just act like you did it again.
No, what's going on, people?
Listen, showing off. You know what I'm saying? Out here playing golf. You know what I'm saying? Some people playing golf. I ain't gonna say everybody, but we out here getting to it. My man Chop, I think he in the lead right now. I don't know. But listen, man. Listen. You got a lot of excuses and a lot of strokes too. You got many excuses as you got strokes right now, bro.
I'm plus 28.
That's crazy. We just hit the back nine. Yeah, that's your handicap right there. That's plus your handicap. That's crazy. That's nasty work, bro. It's all good. I ain't mad at you. At least you keep it 100. You said. No. I was scared. I thought I was going. Come around. Listen, we're on the back nine right now. It's a beautiful day outside to be playing golf. We playing decent golf. Can't lie, you know. If we can keep it tight right here, might can break 90, maybe. But tempers is flying. It's getting heated out here. Competition is really getting it in. But what they don't know is pressure do two things. It busts pipes and it make diamonds. They don't know. Pressure make diamonds over here. This we practice in pressure situations, so I ain't never scared. We on hole 17 right now, on the back nine. Everybody's exhausted. We've been up since 4 or 5 o'clock this morning. Had to drive 2.5 hours to get here, and my game is an exact reflection of that. Like, we all out here struggling. I'm just trying to stay under 100 today. Like, that's my whole goal. That's the goal. I've been striking it well. Just not putting the ball where it need to be, and there's been some water out here, it's been some sand out here, it's been a lot of trees. So we just trying to finish this round out with some dignity. You know what I'm saying? Get ready for tomorrow. Come back tomorrow. What we playing?
Where?
Yeah. Seaview. Probably a harder course.
It is hard.
so we gotta get ready for tomorrow. End off with a bang. We was gonna go home crying. We wrapped up. We done. I really don't know how well I'm going to do, but it's between me and Chop right now. These scores still count towards the overall total, so we tried to finish out hard as best as we could, and I'm still trying to come home with the trophy, so I'm hoping tomorrow we can go low, even things out. But, man, I had a good time with the guys. Glad to be out at the first, it's not the first thing. Y'all did this before, right? Last year. At the second thing, yeah. Atlantic City Showdown. What's going on? Not too good. I know you guys wish you could be out right now.
I wish.
I know we're gonna be doing this for a long while. I'm just glad we was able to get the guys out and get the trip out of the group chat, like they said. So everybody here, we about to play the 19th hole at the clubhouse. Get something to eat. Got to get a pick. Yeah, we got to do all of that. But today was a great day. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Horrific round, but you know what I'm saying, I came in first place in my group, so I technically didn't lose. I didn't play up to my standards, but you know, I'm still in the race. I'm still in it to come home with the trophy. I'll keep you up to date with that, but pretty much, man, Today we out in AC for just a guys fellowship trip. We got this trip going on just to get guys together, a lot of, you know, fathers and husbands and also fellow golfers. So we all competitive, wanted to get the competitive juices going and get a little golf tournament for the weekend going. So that's what we did. Now we about to walk into the clubhouse, grab something to eat with the guys. I'm gonna show y'all the guys, show y'all around.
And basketball, and never ever said like, yo, you want to come and be an athlete and play? Because like, well, listen, it's high school motherfucking baseball. Yeah.